Okay, let's start with the analysis of composite bodies. So, yung composite bodies, ibig sabihin nun, two or more rigid bodies na pinag-connect-connecta. Okay, for example, yung pulley natin kanina, nakakonekta sa isang rod, tapos yung rod nakakonekta pa sa isang rod, okay? By either pin, okay, connection. Okay. So, that's called the composite bodies. So, free body diagrams, what you call the internal reactions, okay? Ulitin ko, yung internal reactions, siya yung reaction na doon sa pinagdugtong na dalawang members. Okay? So, ngayon, meron tayong what you call the internal reactions. Meron tayong tinatawag na internal forces doon sa member. Okay? Yung tinatawag nating rigid bodies. Okay, di ba sabi natin, we have the rigid bodies. Okay, kasi nga static of rigid bodies. Kapag kinat mo yan, okay, automatic na may expose ka ng tatlo kung rigid yan, ano? Isang forces sa X, isang forces sa Y, at saka isang moment. Kagaya nung ginagawa natin. So, ito yon. So, it's either mag-cut ka kahit saan dyan sa member mo na yan. Okay, basta isang buo siyang member, kinat mo siya kahit saan, tatlo yung may expose mo. Okay? Isang horizontal, isang vertical, at isang moment. Okay? Example, kinat natin dito sa point D. Tapos, idodrawing ko yung free body diagram nung kanan. Okay? So, AX, AY, at point D, ito yung mga assumptions ko. DX horizontal to the right, DY vertical, up, and then moment counterclockwise. Okay? Ngayon, given this free body diagram, kasi isang buo siya, pwede mong i-drawing yung free body diagram ng kalahati. Ito naman siya. So, ganun din, except that dun sa point na pinagko-connect nung dalawa, okay, tawag nga natin internal, di ba? Papasok si third law of motion. In every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. It means kung yung horizontal dito is to the right, pagdating dito sa free body diagram, to the left na siya. If this is upward, pagdating doon, downward na siya. If this is counterclockwise, pagdating doon, clockwise na siya. Okay? So, in statics, kahit saan ka, pwede kang mag-cut ng section, pwede mong putulin. Basta kapag nagputol ka ng rigid body, tatlo ang may expose mo. X, Y, and then moments. Pero kapag kinat mo siya, of course, kung dito mo ikakat sa pinakadulo, sa point A, isa na lang, ay dalawa na lang, ano? Kasi pin connected lang siya doon. Okay? So, again, these A and B are called external reaction. And then, anything in between the members, internal forces, ang tawag natin doon. Now, meron akong tinatawag natin na internal forces at the reactions. At connection, sorry. Or tawag natin is internal reactions. Okay, example. Itong bar AB, isang rigid body siya, isang buo. Okay? Itong BC, isang buo din siya. Now, kung titingnan natin yung kanyang external reaction, ito lang A and then C. Okay? So, yung point A is spin, so technically, meron kang upward and then meron kang horizontal. Okay? Yung C, ganun din. Okay? So, meron kang horizontal and then meron kang vertical. So, ito yung free body diagram ng buo. Okay? Pero kung titingnan natin siya, sabi natin kasi, no? The maximum unknown para makapag-solve tayo sa statics ay tatlo lang. Sir, ito, ilan? Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Sir, hindi na natin yan masasolve. That's already statically indeterminate structure. Okay? At this point, yun pa lang kasi yung alam natin, tama yan that this is unsolvable. Pero, pwede natin siyang hatiin. Okay? Tingnan natin, kumain natin tayo dito. Kinuha ko yung isang rigid body. Okay? So, itong rigid body, ilan yung unknowns dyan? Bilangin natin. 1, 2, Kasi kinat ko doon, and that point B is a pin, dalawa rin yung unknown. Naku, lalo pang dumami. 3, and then 4. Okay? Dinrawing ko yung kabila. Pagka-drawing ng kabila, unknown sana to. Kaya lang, sabi nga natin, action, reaction, kung ano tong BX, intin tong BX prime. So, isa lang ang count nun, 3 pa rin, saka 4, 4 pa rin yung unknown. And then yung point C, since this is a pin, dalawa rin, pang 5, and then pang 6. Total, ilan pala talaga ang total unknowns? So, ang total unknowns ko is 6. Tatlo lang yung equations natin. Tatlong equations kada member. Ilan yung member ko? Okay? Member, this is member 1 and this is member 2. Yung isa, may tatlo. Okay? Total equations natin. Okay? Yung isang member, may tatlo doon sa una. May tatlo sa pangalawa. Ilan? 6 din. Okay? So, pag minus mo yung total unknowns doon sa total equations, so 6 minus 6, kapag nag-0 yan, that is statically determinate. Ibig sabihin, kayang isolve yan ng statics. Kapag nag-more than 0 yan, okay, it means hindi mo siya masosolve. Hindi na yun cover ng ating subject. Okay? Pag nag-0 or less than 0, nag-negative yan, okay yan. Ibig sabihin, that is solvable. Statically determinate. Ito pala. Okay? Pero, kapag hindi, that is statically indeterminate. So, paano malalaman yung statical indeterminacy, although this is not part of your, para lang sa statics. So, that is number of unknowns minus 3 equations kasi okay? Tapos, kung ilang members ka. So, yung unknowns natin, ilan? 6. So, okay. Nasaan yung 6 dito? Sa full. Sir, paano makikita kagad? 1, 2, pinto, dalawa rin, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So, you have there 6. Minus 3, ilang members? 1 member, 2 member, times 2. So, 0. So, this is solvable. Okay? That is called statically determinate structure. Okay? So, it means kaya natin siyang isolve. Again, by action, reaction. So, ganito yung ginawa niya, no? Ayan. Pinagtabi niya. Okay. Meron lang dito, ano yung pinagkaiba nila? Kasi, at certain point at B, meron kang Q and then meron kang P. Okay? So, pwede mo siya ilagay. Sir, saan ko siya ilalagay? Pwede ko pa siyang ilagay sa AB, pwede ko pa siyang ilagay sa BC, kahit saan pwede mo siyang ilagay. Pero, isang beses mo lang siya ilalagay. Example, itong Q. Dito ko siya nilagay sa Q. Okay? Now, kung ano man yung magiging answer dito, ita-transfer mo lang dan. Okay? So, ayan, yung P dito rin. Okay? So, mamimili ka lang kung saan mo ilalagay. Right or left side. Okay? Example. Okay? So, we will be having here this kind of example. Okay. Saan mo yun? Okay, wait for a while. May Okay. Check natin to, no? Okay. Referring to the figure at the right, draw the FBD for the entire frame and for each of its parts, neglecting the weights of the members. Determine the total number of unknowns and the total number of independent equilibrium equations, assuming that P and C are known. Okay? So, yung P daw and C known. So, hindi na siya bibilang sa unknown. So, bilangin natin yung number of unknowns. Okay? Pin. Ilan niya ang pin? Dalawa. 1. And then 2. A is pin ulit. So, dalawa rin. 3. Then 4. At D, pin din. Dalawa rin. 5. And then 6. At point B, nakadugtong siya pero by roller, isa lang. So, ito yung pang-anim. Isa langan, pag ganun lang. Total unknown, 6. Ilang rigid bodies? 3, 2, 1. Again, isang buo to, no? Ayan, isang buo yan. Okay. Kung mapapansin nyo naman, isang buo siya. So, this is the member 1 and this is the member 2. So, meron ka lang dalawang members. Multiply natin by, ilan na ba to? 5, 6, pang 7 na pala to. So, ang unknown mo pala is 7 minus 2 multiplied it by 3 equations, m, fx, fy, and then the moment. So, you have here 1. So, it means this is statically indeterminate to 1 degree. Okay? Hindi natin yan kayang solve. Okay? So, kailangan gumamit tayo ng ibang techniques. And hindi na pang mechanical yon. Okay? So, hanggang dito lang tayo sa statics. Okay? However, pwede natin i-draw yung mga unknowns. Okay? Example, free body diagram ng member 1. So, meron tayo ditong, ayan, member. Okay? Lagay natin yung mga known forces. You have here the P. And then yung unknown forces, violet. So, we will be having here, ano to? Let's point A. So, you have your AX. You have your AY. You have here DY. Then you have here DX. Pagdating dito, meron ka dong B. Okay? Pero, since okay, pwede natin makuha yung slope. So, yung slope kasi nito, okay, kung titingnan natin ayan, para kang meron ganyan. Yung total is around 4 and this is around 3. So, ang slope mo is 3 vertical, 4 horizontal. Kung kukunin ko yung perpendicular dun sa plane na yon, dapat mababaliktad din yung aking slope. So, if 4 is horizontal on this plane, pagdating dun sa perpendicular reaction, siya na yung 4. And then yung 3, siya na magiging horizontal. So, this is now the free body diagram for the member 1. Now, for the member 2, okay, unahin muna natin yung mga known. So, meron akong CO. Okay? So, dito, meron din akong CX. And then, meron ako doong CY. However, at this point, which is the D, action-reaction. If your DX is to the right, you have here the DX to the left, and then you have here the DY downward. Okay? And lastly, meron ako ditong 4, and then 3. And then that is the reaction at B. Okay? So, these are the free body diagrams for the two rigid members. Okay? So, pagda-drawing pa lang, mamaya magta-try tayong mag-solve nung ating problem. Okay? So, that's it for drawing a free body diagram and determining the statically indeterminacy of a certain frame.